Check this out. I was just walking here. Well, you can still smell it. This is a seal. Incredible. Don't consume when the seal is broken. It is a rough road. Good morning, just preparing coffee. Had a beautiful night. There's some seals playing out there. It was not too cold, it was a bit damp at night, but in the morning everything was dry again. And yeah, today I'm gonna ride maybe 100-150 kilometers down the coast. The beautiful coastline down there to the south. Yeah, gonna have another coffee, pack everything together, and within the next 2-3 hours we're gonna be on my way again. Like it.
Muy cerca y tan lejos te veo en mi reflejo. Yo también estuve ahí. Tan cerca estás de mí, porque me veo en ti y nos veo sonreír. Muy cerca y tan lejos, muy cerca y tan lejos. Nunca desafiaste a lo establecido, llena de sueños interrumpidos. Un día los dejaste ir. Ellas me recuerdan todo lo vivido, todo aquello que construiste, todo eso por lo que fuiste. Muy cerca y tan lejos, muy cerca y tan lejos. Y nos juntamos por ahí. Y nos juntamos y libres caminamos.
Check this out. I was just walking here. Well, you can still smell it. This is a seal. Incredible. Don't consume when the seal is broken. Wow.
Vos y yo yendo despacio, caminando paso a paso, todo había vuelto a fluir. Y volvieron los tiempos de gloria, sin un ápice de sombra. Todo aquello fue feliz. escutamos y libres caminamos. Vos y yo yendo
I quickly stopped because I wanted to have a look at these cactuses here. They look nice, little round. How beautiful! Look at them. Nice, almost in blossom. There's bigger ones there. Beautiful spot. Oh, it's such a pleasure to ride, and I really just go like 70 kilometers, 80 kilometers per hour. Really slow and enjoy it. Cool.
Let's not go back to normality. Normality has never really worked. The world needs to work for all humanity without ecological offense.
Yeah, I'm in the little town of Taltal by the coast. Just been riding some beautiful 1.5 hours. And there's the coast. Got gasoline, and now I go to, oh, look at this nice clouds here. I go into Pan de Azucar, the national park. At camp there, it's another hour, so chilling, easy. Got something to drink here at the gas station at the mini mercado. Now we're heading on.
It's time to think comprehensively. Systems feed off each other. The world is based on synergy. Whilst on board a spaceship, steer towards its safe harbor. Spontaneous initiative should be fostered, so organic movements can evolve.
I just quickly stopped and turned around, went another way because I want to go along the coast. Small road there, and look how beautiful and picturesque this little village of Taltal is. There's some pelicans down there. Cute, nice little town. I like this old, I don't know, whatever it is. Gotta take a closer look here. What is it? A crane, yeah. There are still tires on, so it can't be that old. Very cool. Super cool. Blake Stonebreaker. Thomas and Foster. A patent number is on there too. From Leeds, England. Super cool. Looks like a small mining museum. Well, back riding.
So organic movements can evolve. Forget about yesterday's contrivings. Solutions need to be reformed. Air and sunlight is for all of us. Natural resources should be shared. Possession can therefore be obsolete. An illness from which we can be cured.
also beautiful around here, so I thought maybe I'll go wild camping right here. I'm just following the street here down this way. And let's see where it ends up. This is where it ends up. Of course, there's trash everywhere because people are assholes. Oh, I could sit down penned up down there. But it's still so early. What's the time? A quarter to 3. I go on for another hour and maybe find a beautiful spot on the way. But the landscape here is so unreal. It looks like you're on a different planet. And all these rock formations here.
Movements cannibal. Forget about yesterday's contrivings. Solutions need to be reinforced. Air and sunlight is for all of us. Natural resources should be shared. Possession can therefore be obsolete. An illness from which we can be
I went a bit too far. I have to go back. Just 5 kilometers, but I didn't look for the signs. I was just enjoying the ride, and I think I'm gonna go back there to where the greenhouse is in the back there. It's beautiful here. Look at this white island over there. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that.